Hi, I'm Stuart McKinnon with Remax here on Vancouver Island, and I'm here today to bring you through my newest listing at 5059 Vista View Crescent. Please follow along as I tour this home. A 5-minute walk from the nearest beach, this meticulously maintained 2-story home features a second-level entry with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms spread across just under 1,600 square feet. Upon entering, you are welcomed by a large, open living and dining area featuring a gas fireplace and Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring throughout. Into the kitchen, you see your quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, including a gas stovetop and a breakfast eating nook. The second floor of this home also features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Downstairs, you have access to the home through your 2-car garage. This area features a recreational space, as well as 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, an expansive crawl space, and a small workshop. Additionally, your mechanical area is easily accessible for servicing, with gas forced air, a heat pump, and Navien hot water on demand. The home is perched on a sloped lot with beautifully matured trees and well-maintained landscaping. The backyard includes a lookout seating area for nature lovers and enthusiasts alike, showcasing the phenomenal views of the Georgia Strait. Thank you for touring this home with me. Again, I'm Stuart McKinnon with Remax Professionals. If you have any questions about this home, please feel free to reach out at 250-618-1646. Thank you so much.